Before and after. Let's take Dad out of the picture. He's not out of your life, just out of the picture. So we're going to add a layer. Then we're going to come up here and make sure sample all layers is checked and remove after each stroke is checked. Then come over to your remove tool, grab that, and then we're going to start painting. Make it a little bit larger. So and then when it doesn't look right, you just go back over it. And it's not for the purpose of removing Dad's out of the picture. I love that his dad was teaching him how to ride his bike. This was just to show you how powerful this new remove tool is in Photoshop. Before and after.